Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position, white to move and win, and white pawn is moving forward in this direction and black pawns are moving downward in this direction. So it's white's turn and white has only a single way to win this game. If you don't find that only move, white is going to be get the draw instead or even lose the game because of these two scary passed upon. So go ahead for the video and let's them move. Best of luck. Okay, so actually it's kind of hopeless. Seemingly it looks hopeless, right? It's not hopeless. White is winning still, but the win is kind of hidden. We can't see the win in this position, right? So what really strong player do in this position is uh, a good idea. Actually, I'm going to explain that. So if we play rook to h1, black is going to play king to b1. And if we play rook to a8, a1, I mean, black is going to capture the rook. And now we are going to play king to c2. And that is my first idea, right? So this puts the black king, this puts black to move the pawn. We push our pawn, and we are going to get a queen, and we are going to win the game. So that is what I thought first. But this is not the correct move, right? So after a couple of moves, we would arrive at this position where we have to move the king. It doesn't matter where we move the king, black is going to get a queen on the next move. And actually this is just a draw. So this is what I thought, and this move obviously doesn't work. And you have to be a strong player to see how black win. So if we play rook to c2, really good another really good candidate move, black is going to make a queen, and black is defending the pawn, but we can actually capture that. But in this position, black can get out with the queen, and actually black is winning now. So this is not the solution either. So in this position, the only winning move is a c6, sacrificing the pawn. So the idea is pretty clever. So now in this position, if black wins, what we are going to do is give a check and grab the queen. So that is all we need to do, and on the next move we are going to capture black's pawn and queen our make our new queen, right? If black decides to push its own pawn, it's going to be too late for black because we are going to get a queen, and since our king is directly attacking the pawn, on the next move, no matter what black plays in this position, no matter what black plays, we are going to get the pawn and capture the pawn. So black wouldn't simply promote the pawn in this position. And if black pushes this, all we have to do is play rook to h1, and now in this position black obviously is going to push in the pawn and promote to a queen, but this is actually not good for black, as black is going to lose the game very soon because we are going to push our pawn, and when black gets a queen, we are going to get a queen with check. And now if black moves king to b1, this is checkmate. And again, if black moves to king to d1, we are going to play queen to c2 check, and checkmate is on the next move, right? So what can black do? Well, black can move to b2, but that doesn't save black, because at the end of the day we are going to give perpetual checks, right? So if black moves like this, now in this position, we are going to give this check, and we are going to get closer with the king and black. If black plays there in this position, we are going to play king to c2. And actually this is the idea. We have one checkmate, we have another checkmate, and we have this checkmate as well, and black cannot stop all of this at once, right? So if black try to stop the one, it will lose the grip on the other. We have these three checkmating ideas, so this is going to be a win for black no matter what, right? So what can black do in this position? Well, if black try to stop this pawn, this checkmate, we don't have this. No, actually not this, but we can actually play this, right? So I didn't see the queen can directly capture that. So we do have this checkmate, and if black try to defend, actually black cannot defend these three checkmating ideas, and black cannot push the pawn because this is another checkmate. So that is the idea, and this is how we are going to win the game if black pushes the pawn. So now in this position, the best move is actually to capture the c pawn after we push the pawn. So this looks hopeless, totally hopeless position for white, but white has a single way to win this, and the only winning move is king takes c3, right? That is the only way to win. So the idea is, so we are threatening checkmate, by the way. For those of you who don't know, black cannot do anything except pushing the pawn, right? So this is going to be checkmate no matter what black plays. So if black plays here, still this is going to be checkmate because the king cannot move to a2 because of its own pawn, right? So black will push promote a queen, and this is going to be the position, but we are going to play king to b3, and notice the queen has no any check, right? We have a rook against a queen, but we are winning. Black has also extra pawn, and still we are winning. This is just such fascinating chess puzzle to see. I just provide this kind of puzzle, so you can subscribe my channel, you can share, and you can contact me as well. I will reply your comments. So now in this position, obviously black has to move the king to c1. Otherwise, whatever black plays, we do have this checkmate. So actually, the problem in this position for black, this wouldn't be a problem for black except for this pawn, right? So the pawn is on the way, meaning the queen cannot stop this checkmate from happening, and that is why black is losing, and this is actually the solution of the puzzle. So thank you for watching. So this is the first position. First we are going to push our pawn, and after black captures our pawn, we are going to play king takes c3, and black will push and promote to a queen, and we are going to play king to b3, which black has no way of stopping this checkmate, and this is actually winning, and black will play king to c1, and we are going to win the queen, and we are going to win the game as well. So this is the solution of the puzzle. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.